Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Skullcandy Indies. Before we get into the video, is a wireless in-ear headphone. It is around 70 pounds. I'll leave the link below if you are interested in. It's a Bluetooth headphones, 16 hours of battery. It is IP55. It is dirt and water resistant, so you can use it for sports. And you do get a touch control, play, pause and everything on the headphones. You also get a small charging case, so you do get a 4 hours on the headphone and you have 12 hours on the charging case. You do get a few more colors. You have a black, blue, purple, and you get a light green. The one I bought is a blue. Let's get in the video and test the headphone out, see if it's worth it. So it did give you instructions how the touchpads works. So single tap, double tap. So swipes up for the volumes up, swipe down for volumes down, swipe side for next songs and previous songs, and single tap for pause and play. And there is no apps you need to download. So let's put the things aside. So you get a micro USB cable. It is not USB-C, and you get a few earbuds, small and a medium, and you get a handbook, and that's pretty much is in the box. So let's put the box aside. So in there you get a headphone, a charging case. So first of all, it's going to be, it is have the look of AirPods. If you are looking for something look like an AirPod and you don't want to pay the £149, can grab one of the Skullcandy ones. So you get the earbuds. You also is a removable, so if you are using for sports, you can use a piece on there to keep it in your ears while you are running. Otherwise you can just remove them. They are very small headphones. They're slightly bulky on the side, so they still going to be sitting in your ears, so you shouldn't be worrying about, oh, is that too big, is too small. That will be perfectly fine on the ears. Micro USB input, and you do get a big Skullcandy logo for the case. The case is twice the size as the AirPods, so headphone wise you do get a Skullcandy logo on the side. So that's left, right, that's going to be that. So let's drop test. So there is nothing going to be falling off of the headphone case. It is a magnet, so it actually goes back closed quicker. And you are charging. It does indicate both of the headphones are charging, and you get three LED lights in the sides. So when I close it, it will show the LEDs how much the case is charged. At the moment it's half charged, it's not fully charged. Budget headphones, I would say. So let's turn that on and connect it to the phone. So you don't even need to turn them on. The minute you take them out of the case, they're already in the ready to pair mode. So if you see that, I already have the Indies on here to connect. You got phone calls and audio turned on, so you can answer phone calls on the headphones. So this is going right, this is going left. The feel of the earfit is exactly like the AirPods. They are quite loud, so let me give it a try. So they are very comfortable on the ears. They are very tight. You barely even notice there is a headphone. You know when you have the AirPods on, you have that comfortable fit, but it's not sticking out. It's like, so at the moment it's on full volume. It does have a really good bass. There is no crackle or there is no hissy noises. Let's put the volumes down. Even with the volume down, the quality remains the same. Now it's on full volume. We're gonna try if the headphone work with one headphone on. So we're gonna put we put the left one in. I can still hear the song. So this is on charging mode, and I can still hear the songs from the other one. So now we're gonna use this, and we're gonna put the other one charge. You can use the right one. You can use alone, but if you use the left one, you can't listen to songs while other one is charging. Only on the left one where you can listen in only one side. So volumes down, it works. So you can use the headphone or left side to volumes down, and the right side to be volumes up. So pause and play work perfectly, but on the next and that I do think there is a stereo issue, or I just don't understand how that worked. Now we're gonna go to YouTube and we're gonna watch a video. So let's listen to a mix. Volume wise, there is no issues. They are quite loud. It's very clear. There's no distortion or there's no lag. Let's put the volumes down. Quality remains the same. So let's listen to Senorita with the lyrics, so we can see if there's any delays. So far there is no delay. The words on the screen is exactly the words I'm hearing. It is clear, so there is no delays or there is no distortion. So let's watch one more song. The audio is still clear even though the song is quite old. So if you are looking for like budget headphones for yourself or your kids or your friends as a gift, but you don't want to spend £100 or £200 on a in-ear headphone, but you want really good quality, the Skullcandy is going to be your ideal headset, where you're paying around £60. You get slightly better audio quality than the AirPods, so you can use that with Apple and Android phones. A lot of people do confuse, AirPod is only for iPhones. You can use them on Android phone as well. If you are looking for a budget wireless headphone, the Skullcandy Indies will be your ideal headset, where you do get quite a lot of colors. Would I buy this? Yes, I would. For that price, for the quality, I was definitely. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Like and share the videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.